This 2022 Dutchmen Coleman 334BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, oven, slide-out, microwave, LP detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Coleman 334BH is 7,826 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.